Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to convert JPG image to PSD. So get it started. At first, open your publisher document. In this video, I will show convert JPG image to PSD image. Now go into the file menu option, then click. Now click from open option. Now select from find our picture. Now select from picture. Now click for open option. Now you can see, then we show the JPG file. This file convert from PSD. Now you can see, then going to the file menu option, then select from save as option. Now you can see, then show the new interface, then I click from format menu option, then click. Now you can see, then select from PSD. Now we select from file in the save. Now click for save. Now click for OK. Now you can see, now show the open the file. Now you can see convert JPG image to PSD is Adobe Photoshop is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.